Hey, welcome back to the channel. Austin here. So I think it's starting. I think there's some stuff starting to absolutely take off, specifically related to XRP. And we're also going to take a look at some other opportunities that are out there that I want to share with you that I'm starting to see some things, some trend lines. Wanted to share all that with you. If you're new to me, subscribe, hit that like button. Please hit the like button. That tells the algorithm and helps us as the XRP army spread the word. So let's jump into this. Right now, we've got crypto taking off. This has been something I've been watching now for the last 4 or 5 hours this morning and kind of leading into right now, early afternoon. We've been incrementally moving up dramatically. We're close, guys, to getting back up over that $1,700,000,000,000 mark, but the overall market is up 3.7%. Bitcoin, and really it's Ethereum that's taking the lead here. Ethereum up 7+%, Bitcoin up almost 3%. But I wanted to show you it's starting kind of scenario. The starting state is XRP is up itself. It's up 3.78, 63 cents. I want to take a look at volume. Volume is still down, which tells me it's still not quite hit its stride yet here relationship to this. Look at this right here. You can see this one day just moving up dramatically. I realize that's just a straight, going up incline, if you will, but from 61 cents, very, very steadily moving up. So wanted to show you this on TradingView. This is interesting. We've been consolidating now XRP for quite a while. In fact, that is really going back to the second week of November. So we're literally coming up on 6 weeks of this sideways consolidation action. Now we did break up over that, but since we're pushed back, now you can see we've really gone up and hit this line, 1, 2, 3, 4, then you kind of have all this 5, 6, 7, 8. We've been pushed back from this resistance of that, 64 cents range approximately. So that's the resistance level that, that really we're kind of looking at. And right now we're trading at 63 cents. But really, I think the overall narrative I want to leave you with or kind of point out is that you're starting to see money flow into the major altcoins, right? And you're seeing, we all know what's happened with Solana. I've done a bunch of videos there, craziness there, it's good stuff. We had a lot of money flowing back into Cardano, but we've also got money coming back into Polkadot, Polygon, Chainlink. Look, they're up each respectively, 4, 14, 11%. Continuing on, SHIB's up almost 5%, moving back in. So Cosmos and there was another one here I wanted to point out. Yeah, Optimism. So you got an interesting play. We got a lot of money flowing into the other layer ones and layer 2 ERC, Ethereum layer 2s. So interesting scenario playing out here where the starting factor here is I think that this is the beginning of the run up moving into 24. Now, if we continue to see this play into tomorrow, Thursday, Friday, I think this is money dramatically flowing back in anticipation of what? The Bitcoin ETF, right? And so we'll see that play out. I don't know if you saw this. This is interesting right here. MicroStrategy has just purchased an additional 14,620 Bitcoin, $615 million worth. Now that's adding to, I think, the fuel that you see here is that when Michael Saylor or MicroStrategy do their thing, usually you see more money start to flow in as well. This brings MicroStrategy's cumulative Bitcoin asset to about $7.8 billion, probably actually worth probably about 8 billion now. That's how much Bitcoin they own. So that is tremendous. And I think Michael Saylor is one of the best vocal advocates for Bitcoin and, quite frankly, for crypto out there for us. So I thought it was worth mentioning there. So yeah, I think we're continuing to see this, but I think we could start to see XRP move up along with some of the other altcoins, and I'm watching it for you. So to give you some perspective, like some of the other ones that we're seeing moving up, like this is Cardano. It's moved up in the last 66 days, 150%. Did you know that? It's up 150%, 149, 150% the last 7 days. This is Polygon. Look, Polygon's kind of doing a similar thing. It's just broken out. But from this buy alert to that right there, that's 103% in 67 days. So a lot of money started quietly flowing back into the altcoins, to an extent XRP, but again, a lot of these other layer 1, layer 2s, that's really where I'm seeing the money go right now. is a lot of these other layer one and or layer twos flowing in. And Polygon is just taking off. We just looked at that. Solana, we all know the story there. 72 days, it's up 384%. This is my software, by the way, X1 Algo. It's a trading indicator giving you these buy and sell alerts. And you can see that's Solana. I just showed you Cardano. If you're interested, links in the description below if you want to check it out. There's a discount code down there. There's a 30-day money-back guarantee. So go check that out if you're interested with that. You want to get a little bit of an additional edge, if you will, to know when to buy and when to sell. I have alerts sent to this device whenever it just tells me when to buy and when to sell, and that's what I do. So yeah, I think it's interesting I'm really watching Ethereum for you, and to an extent watching some of these other guys, but XRP, I think it's starting to move. We're going to start to see it kind of start to break out of this consolidation, pattern that I was showing you here. This is something I've been tracking now. I'm kind of watching for a while. I continue just to have these lines here, and it's just proven and it's just consolidating. But we could start to see right here at the end of that, where it's starting to move back up, see where that green circle is, kind of see it starting to move back up. We need to break above that resistance level of 64 cents. That's what we've got to get above. So that's where we're at right now. Let me pull up XRP as a final thought. We're at 63.5 cents. Volume still a little low, which is interesting. But we've got this move up 3.45%. So, all right, go make some money. I'll see you. Bye.